Hello! Hello, my 2 subscribers. It might actually be 3 now. I actually have no idea. Today's a big day in history. 1 year ago today, I did something no one's ever seen before. Some may ask, what compelled me to do this? I do not have the answer to this question. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, I drew a bird in my eyebrows. Isn't she pretty? I literally have my laptop just like propped up. Look at all my tabs. Don't judge me, please. Okay. You know, when I did that first picture, I had like face painting supplies that I used, but I don't have those anymore. I don't have those anymore. So you see, I don't have those anymore, but I do have acrylic paint. You know, some may be asking why. You did it once, why again? I've been compelled by my comrade, Savannah. I was gonna FaceTime her, but she's taking an SAT, the thing right now. So she's not here to tell me not to use acrylic paint. So I'm gonna use acrylic paint. All right, let's get down to business, boys. This is at a really unflattering angle, but I don't really have anything to perch this on top of. I don't have a nest, if you will. God, I hate myself. Don't judge the way I look. It's not. I don't like it either. Where do I start? That's the real question. Okay, I think what I do, I start with the, no, I think I should start with the eyebrow, the red, and then do the, okay. I also don't have anything to put the paint on, so I'm putting it on the counter. Mom, I am so sorry. I have school tomorrow. What if this stains my face? I think I would laugh. What if I just like didn't take it off? What if I just showed up to school with a bird on my eyebrows? Like, would anybody care? They'd just be like, oh, she's just vibing. Okay. Did you see that? Yo, I'm gonna have to beat the real devil out of this one. Okay, here we go. Just go. I am so scared. Do you think it would come out of my eyebrows? Like, if I got this in my eyebrows, do you think it would come out? What if I put Vaseline on them first? That's too much work. Oh, no. Mom, pick me up. Pick me up, I'm scared. Oh no, it's dry. I feel like I just got Botox. If there is a higher power in this world, I'm gonna need assistance. Show me a sign. You know, sometimes I ask myself why the people who I like don't like me back. And I think I finally discovered why. And I'm gonna break out. Okay, time to really just I think that was the sign from God. Well, there go my favorite sweatpants. What do I do? Houston, we have a problem. What do I do? They don't teach you this in high school. Oh, maybe it's God telling me I should stop wearing sweatpants to school. I don't know what to do. I'm panicking. What's worse? Me looking like this, or the fact that it looks like a Smurf took a shit all over my bathroom. What did I do to deserve this? Oh, right. Okay, maybe I let it dry and then peel it off. Okay. We're gonna continue and pretend like that never happened. We're gonna pretend like that never happened. Okay. Oh God, they feel so wrong. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna get, oh, it's on the screen too? We're gonna pretend. Why am I actually trying to make this look good? Cause it's not good. All right, you know what? I'm giving up on trying to make this look good. I'm just. It's a Monday night, man. I've gone quiet because I don't even know what to say right now. I'm just trying to take in what's going on. There's paint on the Oh Maya. I'm gonna break out so bad. Like it's not gonna be good. Yes. Rude. My mom tried to FaceTime me and I was like, now's not a good time. I'm finished. You know what? Sometimes in life you just draw a bird on your eyebrows. Okay, now that I've taken pictures of it, we're gonna try to wash this off. And you guys are gonna be here to experience it. For good luck. Where can I put this? Alright, that works. Okay. Where do I start is the real question. It's really cemented on my face. I have soap. Let's start there. What do I use to wash this off my face? Do I use a I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna use this. This already has paint on it, so I'm just gonna. I think I'm making it worse. Okay, you know what? It's good enough. My mother tried to FaceTime me again. She might have to wait on this one. Whoa, I like the light coming. There's like a mirror here. I like that. Oh my God, is that the sign from God? That maybe everything's gonna be okay and that my eyebrows aren't gonna fall off? Only time will tell. Oh my God. Is it gonna work? Ow! Oh my God, that. Ow! Ow, 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 ow. Oh no. Ow. Oh my God. This is a crime against humanity. Ow, this hurts. Ow, 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 ow. Oh my God. Ow. This hurts so bad. Ow! Did I do it? Is that it? I'm gonna use soap now. I think I did it. I don't know what to say. I think I believe in higher powers. This truly was an act of God. God looked at me and said, "This bird perched upon her eyebrows shalt thrust into the wind." Maybe I should just stick to music. Okay, if I'm making no logical sense right now, it's because I'm trying to comprehend exactly what just happened, and my comprehension skills can only go so far. Okay, wait, should I show you what my computer looks like right now? There's paint. There's paint there. There's paint there. In the keys. How am I supposed to do that? What am I supposed to do? Okay. What are the takeaways from this video? Don't paint a bird on your eyebrows. That's about it. Just don't. No matter how tempting. Okay, you know, I think I don't have anything else to say. That's about it. Okay, bye.